Do you consider yourself an activist?
Yes, definitely.
So what does that mean to you?
Walking the walk. It's not just that I hold this, ideal about promoting, Yiddishkeit through Yiddish language, but it's in my practice. It's professionally what I do. It's socially what I do. You can't just kind of lament I think in the 1890s or something was the first time that a newspaper, proclaimed the death of Yiddish. There's people who just, kind of lament it and don't really do much about it. But I've been getting out there. I bring a lot of new actors into the realm. I provide, the work, the material for them, and ultimately bringing a Yiddish language experience to, at this, over the years, I'm sure we're somewhere around 150 or 200,000 people who we've been able to reach.